Hey Dad, what are you doing?
Oh, check this out.
Shoot.
So I sold this to a client a few years ago, and it looks like it had a mishap, fell off the wall and hit the corner of a table or something.
So it's a fixer-upper.
So we're going to see if we can fix it. I don't know, I've never actually repaired anything this big before, but we're going to give it a go, see how we get. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay some masking tape over the tear on the front of the painting, because I'm going to be gluing from behind and I don't want any of that glue seeping out onto the painting itself. I'm just using my thumbnail to push that masking tape right into the crack to create a seal. So the next thing I'm going to do is take a small amount of white acrylic paint, and I'm going to just seal the tear from the back end. I'm just putting this paint right on the tear. And again, so I'm just, because I don't want any glue to come through from the back onto the surface of the painting. Next step is to take a patch of canvas and obviously make it quite a bit bigger than the tear. And we're going to glue this, use glue, and glue this side as well, and push this onto the back. Put on so much that you're going to get lots of squeeze out. And as the man says,
Glue don't stick where glue binds.
Well, this is about exciting as watching glue dry. So we just got to let that dry for at least an hour, maybe two. Then we'll seal the back with some gesso, and then let's see what we get on the front. I'm thinking we'll take some diox purple, a little bit of lemon yellow. Try that for starters and see how it goes. We're going to see if we can get a match on this bluish color. So, start with our, maybe try a purple cobalt, do you think?
Yeah. Now you're talking.
And from back here, it's pretty much invisible.
Just another crack in the rocks.